Hello everyone! Welcome to Eundo's Book Club. Remember, one day, one book. Now, let's get started. PetetheCat's Groovy Bake Sale by James Dean. PetetheCat is excited about his school bake sale. Pete wants to bake a treat. What should Pete bake? Pete loves sweets. Pete loves cookies. Pete loves pies. Pete loves brownies, cakes, marshmallow treats, and ice cream sundaes. I'll make cookies, Pete thinks. Pete takes out eggs, flour, sugar, and of course, chocolate chips. He puts everything in a bowl. He stirs and stirs. Pete makes a big mess. He rolls the dough into balls, and his mom helps put them into the oven. They wait for the cookies to bake. They smell so yummy. Then things smell less yummy. Some of the cookies are burned. Pete has to start over. What else can he make? He tries to make ice cream sundaes, but they turn into ice cream soup. He tries to make pudding pie, but runs out of crust. The kitchen is a big mess. He has no treats for the bake sale. You'll find something yummy to bring to the bake sale, says Pete's mom. He has some berries, vanilla pudding, and a few cookie pieces. I've got it, Pete says. I'll use a little bit of all of it. So he adds whipped cream and berries to the pudding. Then he adds some cookie pieces to the mix. Carefully, he scoops some onto a tray. Pete puts the tray in the fridge. The next morning, it is a tray of tasty, groovy berry goodness. His mom helps him scoop his treats into little cups. He brings them to school. Pete puts his berry cups on the bake sale table. What is that? Asks Callie. Groovy berry goodness, says Pete. His friends give it a try. His dessert is a hit. Soon, all the treats are gone. But Pete saves one. He gives it to his mom. Thanks for your help. The end. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the story. Now, let's learn some new words we've read in our book today. Bake sale, bake sale. Treat, treat. Sweet, sweet. Marshmallow, marshmallow. Ice cream sundae, ice cream sundae. Flour, flour. Bowl, bowl. Stir, stir. Dough, dough. Burn, burn. Kitchen, kitchen. Berry, berry. Mix, mix. Tray, tray. Fridge, fridge. Great job, everyone! Thank you for joining Eundo's Book Club today. If you like the book we read, please like and subscribe.
and I would love to hear from you. So feel free to leave a comment as well. Don't forget, one day, one book. See you tomorrow.